This is the BMW Vision M NEXT concept. It is basically the next i8, which is really exciting stuff. It is due to arrive in 2021, and the really good news is that this car has got more power from its electric motors alone than the current i8 has. So this car has got dual electric motors putting out about 200 brake horsepower each, and on top of that it has got a supercharged 4-cylinder petrol engine, which makes it a plug-in hybrid model. So 592 brake horsepower overall. It will do 0 to 62 in around about 3 seconds. And I think it looks absolutely awesome as well. I'm really excited about this one. BMW have also taken the environmental route, so it's going to be a light car. The executive told us it's going to weigh between about 1,600 and 1,700 kilos, and you'll find very little leather in the car either. It's all textiles and metal. So I think it looks fantastic, and if it can deliver the performance that you expect from an i8, it is going to be one of the best electric cars coming in the next few years.